welcome back to Halloween Haunting, the place to go to find information about amazing props to purchase for Halloween. And for today's video, I'm having a look at the animated eyeball doorbell from Wilko. Now this prop features sound, light and movement. The dimensions of this prop are 21 centimeters in depth, 26 centimeters in width and 18 centimeters in height. The material this prop is made of is polyester fibers, which seems quite strong. The aesthetics look amazing as the skulls on it look quite threatening. I love the gold paint as it makes the prop look quite antique, as it looks quite good quality. The button is quite easy to press as it has quite a good size and it is quite easy to click. The back has a mounting bracket on it, so you can easily mount this prop. This prop takes AA batteries. It takes 3 and it has a on and off switch down at the bottom here, which controls the button at the front. So without further ado, I will give a demo.
Enter if you dare.
So please like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment if you want, and as always, thanks for watching.